Welcome to our YouTube short series. We'll share 12 compelling reasons why goat farming is a smart choice.
Let's get started.
1. High demand. 2.
Quick return on investment.
3.
Low startup costs.
4. Adaptability to various climates. 5. Efficient grazers. 6. Multiple revenue streams. 7.
Sustainable land use.
8.
Organic weed control.
9.
Efficient space utilization.
10.
Minimal equipment requirements.
11.
Sustainable meat option.
12.
Personal satisfaction.
And there you have it. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.